Ford's 2027 lineup finally fixes every single complaint you've had with their trucks, SUVs, and cars for years. No more overpriced full-size pickups that waste your money on capability you never use. No more electric trucks that leave you stranded on the job, and no more waiting for affordable utility vehicles that actually match your real life. They're reviving legends, adding trail-ready performance at sane prices, and delivering EVs that solve the exact pain points families and workers have been yelling about. This is the announcement that proves Ford still knows exactly what you need. Number 7. Taurus Return. The Taurus is coming back to North America, but this is the refined full-size sedan Ford has been perfecting in other markets, not the old 2019 version. Different platform, proven engineering, and real sedan space that crossovers can't touch. You've watched every dealership push tall crossovers, while the low-slung, comfortable sedan you actually want disappeared from the lineup. When you're on a long family road trip or daily commute, you slide into a proper sedan that rides smooth, feels planted, and gives everyone legroom without the high step-up or wind noise that SUVs force on you. That quiet fix for the sedan gap leads right into another revival that's all about practical, everyday utility. Number 6. Ranchero Revival. Ford is bringing back the Ranchero, one of the most loved names in truck history, but this time it's the smart, practical version built for today's buyer. Compact dimensions, a usable bed, and a price that doesn't require financing for the next decade. You've been fed up with full-size trucks that cost a fortune, yet spend most days half empty because the industry stopped making anything smaller and smarter. When you're swinging by the lumberyard after work or hauling weekend project gear, the Ranchero slides into tight spots, carries exactly what you need, and leaves cash in your pocket instead of draining it on unused bulk. But Ford didn't stop at reviving affordable hauling. That move sets up the electric vehicle Ford built specifically for families. Number 5. Electric 3-row SUV. Ford is launching a dedicated electric 3-row SUV engineered from the ground up for real families. With actual passenger space and cargo volume that replaces your gas Explorer in daily life. Every other EV out there targets couples or solo drivers, leaving families stuck squeezing into token back seats that don't cut it for school runs, sports gear, or vacations. You load the kids, the dog, the stroller, and weekend bags. Then pull out with instant torque and enough range to make it there and back without planning your entire day around plugs. Families have waited long enough for this one, but that sets up the performance partnership taking the Bronco off-road like never before. Number 4. Bronco RTR. Ford and RTR are teaming up on the Bronco again, this time giving you the 2.3-liter turbo 4-cylinder with 275 horsepower plus anti-lag tech that keeps boost ready the second you need it. They even borrowed the Raptor's 1,000-watt cooling fan, so temperatures stay in check during hard runs. Standard 33-inch tires, wider track, lifted suspension, and the optional Sasquatch package with 35-inch Goodyears and Fox dampers lock it all together. The complaint you've had is that standard Broncos hesitate right when you lift off the throttle on a climb, killing momentum and leaving you scrambling. Now you're on that rocky ledge, repositioning the wheels mid-climb, and the power hits instantly without drama, keeping you moving forward confidently every single time. And that trail-ready package opens the door to the boldest surprise yet. Number 3. Mustang Raptor. Ford is turning the Mustang into a full Raptor with long travel suspension, purpose-built off-road gear, and a rugged body kit that takes it straight into desert and trail territory. You love the Mustang's styling, heritage, and sharp driving feel, but you've always been stuck on pavement because no factory option let you go further. Now, you unload after a long highway drive, hit the dirt road to your favorite camping spot, and the same car you daily drive suddenly eats whoops and rocks without missing a beat. Ford is breathing life back into the Bronco and Mustang with these performance packages, but the next one targets the working buyer who's been completely priced out until now. Number 2. Electric midsize truck. Ford is pouring $5 billion into a new universal electric platform that delivers a fully electric midsize pickup priced to make sense for real jobs. This isn't a halo vehicle. It's built for volume and backed by new jobs in Kentucky and Michigan. You've watched every electric truck option start at prices that destroy your margins as a contractor or small business owner running high-mileage work rigs. When you're pulling up to the job site at dawn with tools, materials, and a full day ahead, the lower fuel and maintenance costs add up fast, while the practical bed handles every load without the premium price tag eating your profits. That affordable work solution leads straight to the flagship truck that kills the last big reason you stayed away from electric. Number 1. Electric F-150 Range Extender. Ford took the Lightning and fixed its biggest flaw with a gasoline range extender that never drives the wheels. It only charges the battery when you need it on long hauls. You still get full electric torque, quiet operation, and instant power. But now, the gas engine acts as your built-in safety net. Serious truck owners have stayed away from the Lightning because towing or heavy loads drain range faster than charging stations appear, leaving you stressed about finishing the job. You're halfway through a long tow with a loaded trailer, miles from the next plug, and instead of watching the gauge drop, the extender fires up just enough to keep you rolling smooth and confident all the way home. 7 new models, 7 direct answers to the complaints you've been sending Ford for years. The Taurus is quietly filling the sedan hole the entire industry abandoned. The Ranchero brings back compact, budget-friendly hauling you actually use. The electric 3-row SUV gives families a real daily EV that works. The Bronco RTR and Mustang Raptor deliver off-road performance without forcing you into 6-figure territory. The midsize electric truck finally makes work electric affordable, and the new electric F-150 range extender solves the exact range anxiety that kept working trucks away from batteries. Ford isn't playing it safe anymore. They're listening, they're building what you asked for, and 2027 is the year they remind everyone why the blue oval still matters.